and welcome back to my channel. This is your Soul Girl Luna, and today I would like to share my little haul from Tokyo used in Hongdae. I've visited that shop like 2 weeks ago. I don't remember even. Time is super fast. Yeah, I would like to share what I got. They are selling second-hand clothes, and they also have many brands, like so many brands from Japan. I was so amazed. Unfortunately, I did not see as much in my style as I was hoping to see, but they still have amazing items and the prices are quite good, I would say. And yeah, today I'm sharing with you what I got, and of course I will do a little dress up with it so you can see how it looks worn. Let's dive into my little haul. First of all, I got this beautiful top from SEOULmates. I never owned anything from that brand, but I have to say the quality is really nice, right? Here's the label, Tokyo used. They also have a website. They also have Instagram. By the way, this is not sponsored. And this piece was 12,000 won. Super cute. I'm not wearing the right bra for this. The bows are so cute. This is so Japanese style. It's really so adorable. Oh my goodness. I'm not sure what pants I can wear with this. I mean, this looks already a little bit cute, kind of. Very happy about this piece. Okay, next one. What we have? I have another top. It's this one. It's a blouse actually, with very short sleeves. It's so cute, and it has here these beautiful pearls and flowers. The brand is Blue Stripe, I guess. It's a Blue Stripe. This one was 17,000 won. It's pretty much see-through, but I have a top which I can wear under it, the nude color top. This blouse is gorgeous. This ribbon band I can remove because it's just attached with a little button in the back of my neck. But I love bows, so always keeping that. Oh my god, it's so cute. And I'm wearing my see-through top under it. No, I'm wearing my nude colored top under it, and I can just combine it with one of my favorite pieces from that purchase, which is this piece. It looks like a skirt, but actually it's shorts. It's pants. Like, that's so cute. By the way, the brand is Majestic Legend. I don't know how to pronounce that. Look at this, it's so cute. Oh my god, I can't get over how cute these shorts are. And I even love the zipper in the back. It's so beautiful. I don't need it. I can just stripe it like this because the shorts are big enough or I'm small enough. I don't know. You can decide. But look at this, it's so adorable. And it's still appropriate for Korea because the first top I think is not really appropriate of wearing in Korea outside. But this one is covering like the shoulders. So wearing this is absolutely fine. Oh, it's so cute. And I also got another blouse, which goes perfectly with those pants. I already was wearing this blouse with those pants. It's this one. I think this one was maybe 13,000. But at least in the end, there is one more item. It's a dress. In the end, I paid 80,000 won for 5 items. These bow laces, I think it's called bow laces. I can also just remove them if I want to, but I don't want to because it's so cute. I have to say that this blouse is in size a little bit smaller than the other blouse, of course, because this is more like the shape of the body, but it's still super cute. Maybe my boobs are a little bit big, but I keep this part together. The small pin, I have a small pin, safety pin, or I'm just wearing this blouse under a dress. I actually have this dress which I got from a Swiss friend, and my idea was just to combine these two together. Oh my god, it looks so adorable. I love it. Okay, right now I'm coordinating this blouse with these pants. I love the shirring in the back, by the way. It's a really nice shirring. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love this outfit. Makes me so happy, really. I love thrifting. I love it so much. It's just so much fun. Yeah, like I said, here I would just put a little safety pin on the inside so you can't see it. But I mean, I have
something under it, so
well, hope that never happens outside. Anyway, I just do like, yeah, I can combine this blouse with many other items I have, which makes me super happy. Like, this is also one of my favorite skirts, and I think they would look very cute too. I have still one piece, which is still one piece. Ha, that's a nice way to introduce my new dress, right? It's this one. It was just 22,000 won from Dazzling. This dress is gorgeous, really. It's so light and it's just perfect for summer. This dress is really adorable. I love it. It's just so cute. It just gives me like cottagecore vibes. It's just so adorable. I don't know. I just can't get over how cute it is, and it's so comfortable. It's really like, also with the sleeves, it's just like this. I love it. In summer I hate when the sleeves are so close to the arms, because then it feels like I'm more and more sweating. And you know, most items these days are made of polyester, like this one too. It's so pretty, but polyester is so hot in summer. Anyway, I'm wearing a small petticoat from Bodyline under it. It's still from my casual Lolita time. I want to wear Lolita again, if you ask me. But I'm glad I kept the petticoat, because with this dress, it just gives the dress a little bit of poof to it, and I just really love it. And that's the bag. I think that's it for today. Yeah, I still hope you enjoyed this little try on haul video. It was my very first try doing something like this. I'm sure I just talked too much nonsense. I hope I didn't bore you. If you would like me to go back to Tokyo Used, please hit the like button, comment down below. I just thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully you will stay with me and wait until my next video is out. I just wish you a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.